Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefano Bernardini, and in today's tutorial we will see how to use Salesforce JWT connection. Let's go. In this tutorial we will see three different scenarios. In the first scenario we use a certificate generated by Salesforce, that is a self-signed certificate. In the second scenario we use a certificate generated by openssl, that is also a self-signed certificate. And in the third scenario we use the certificate generated in the previous scenario, but we approve the user in a different way. So we pre-approve the connected app with the User-Agent OAuth Flow. So let's go. Okay, we are in Salesforce. Let's go to the setup and create the self-signed certification here in Salesforce. I use Salesforce for my first example because it's very easy. So let's search for certificate. Let's create a self-signed certificate. Okay. Let's cert1 self with Salesforce. Okay, and save. Let's download the certificate. Okay, here it's okay. I go back to the certificate, key management, and I export to the key store. I put a password. Okay. And this is my JKS, the Java key store. Okay, so I need both of them. Okay, I cut and paste and I place in my empty directory. Okay, so at the moment I create a self-signed certificate and a JKS with the certificate inside. So I can also use the KeyStore Explorer. I will put the link in order to install the KeyStore Explorer in Windows, I think. And this is my password, so I can see the certification. Now I create the connected app. Okay, so let's go back to Salesforce. Let's create a connected app. Okay, I go to the Hub Manager. Okay, and I create a new connected app. For example, connected app name connect Mule JWT. Okay, this is my mail. Okay, I need to enable OAuth settings and I need to insert the certificate. Okay, so this is the certification directory. Okay, so I need to insert the certificate. Okay, I also insert a callback URL. For the moment it's not important, but simply put an example one. Callback, I need to select the scope. So for example, refresh token, manage user data via API and web. Okay, and we can save. Let's review. So this is the name, my mail, enable, I insert a callback URL, and I inserted my certificate and the scopes. Okay, perfect. Okay, 10 minutes. Up to 10 minutes. Okay, let's see the consumer key. So I need to go to manage consumer details. They send me an email. Okay, so this is the verification code. Okay, this is the consumer key. So I copy and paste this key. No worry, I will delete the key at the end of this video, so don't bother it. Let's go back to MuleSoft. Let's create a new project. For example, my is Salesforce the JWT. Okay. I need obviously a Salesforce connector. Okay, this one it's okay. Okay, for this video it's not important the project, but I use the global elements to create a connection, a Salesforce connection with the JWT. So I need to select no basic authentication. I need to select OAuth JWT. Okay, the consumer key is the key I show here. Okay, so let's copy and put here. Okay, the key store is the key store. This is this key store. Okay, I can also copy the key store inside the repo. For example, I go to the properties, go to the workspace directory inside my project. In the source main resources, let's create a certificate folder. Okay, and let's place the certificate. Okay, this. Okay, perfect. So this is the name of the file. Okay, perfect. The key store is here, certificate, and this is the name of the file because it is inside the repo. This is my password, the password I create when I export the key store, and the principal is my is the username associated with this connected apps. Okay. So this is my I think this is my where is. Okay, this is my username. Okay, let's see if everything is okay. Let's test the connection. Okay. Okay, this is the error we got. I expect this error because the error hasn't approved this consumer. We have two ways to do this. First, we use the way this way. So we go to the app manager, go to the what is the name? Connect new app. I think is this one, and manage. I need to set the permitted users. So I added the policy. This one is the first way to do this. So admin approved users are pre-authorized. Okay, so I save, and now I have to select the profiles that associated with this app. I am a system now. I'm logged as a system administrator, so I check the system administrator. Maybe your is not the best way, but for this tutorial purpose, I select the system administrator. Okay. Perfect. Let's go back to the MuleSoft. Let's test the connection. Okay, perfect. This is the first scenario. So I create a self-signed key, a self-signed certificate with the Salesforce, and I use a pre-authorized user. Okay, so let's imagine a second scenario with the same pre-authorized user, but a certificate generated by or external authorities or a self-signed certificate not done in Salesforce. Okay, so let's select Salesforce. This is the scenario 2. Okay, and select JWT. Okay, we can select the same user. I think no. Let's create a new a new connected apps. Okay, let's go back to the app manager. Let's create a new connected app. MuleSoft scenario 2. Okay, this is my mail. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, I select as before, so refresh token, manage. Okay, I select localhost. Okay. Okay, I need to select the digital signatures. I can create with openssl. So let's go to the openssl. Let's go to this path. Okay. Let's make a dir cert2. Okay. Okay, so let's copy this command. Maybe I will put also in the YouTube description. So I need this to create a key, a private key and a CSR. Okay. I need to set a country name, for example, Haiti, Milan, blah, 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 blah. Okay, okay. Okay, perfect. And then I seen the certification with this. I forgot openssl. Okay. Okay. So now inside this certification, I have this is the certification, this is the CSR, and this is the key. So I can create a key store JKS with my favorite key store explorer. So I simply create a new key store. You can also create with the key tool. I like to create with this tool. So JKS. I put say simply insert save. This is my password. Okay. And save it. I save near that certification, for example, here. Okay. So my jks.jks. Okay. And I insert my certification. So maybe you saw a lot of command to generate certification and the Java key store. So I like to show you how to do this with Key Store Explorer. So I simply import key pair. I select PKHES8. Okay. I don't have any password. I select the key. Okay, this is the key, and this is the certificate. Okay. Alias CRT1, CRT2. Okay. The password of the key pair. Okay. I use the same password and select save. Okay, everything is fine. So let's copy and paste this cert JKS inside the certificate path. Okay. Okay, sales main resources certificate here. Okay. And now I can select the certificate. I think the name is certificate myjks.jks. Okay. But I forgot to insert the digital signature in the connected apps, so I go here, and this is the second scenario. I insert the digital signatures, that is the certification 2. This time the Salesforce want the CRT, okay? And the rest is okay. Okay. Let's check if everything is okay. Okay, I need to create a new consumer key. They sent to me the code, the validation code, verification code. Okay. 45. Okay. This is my consumer key. Okay, this is the password. I don't need any alias. This is the user as before, so I simply copy and paste from here. Okay. Okay. Let's check if everything is okay. Okay, perfect. We know how to solve this error. So let's simply edit. No, not edit. Manage. Edit policies. Admin. Save. Manage profiles. System administrator. Okay. And okay, perfect. Now we use the same certification, but we create a new connected app, and we approve the user not with pre-authorized, but with the OAuth settings. With a different, we approve the user with a different OAuth settings. Okay. So let's recreate a connected apps. Connected apps, MuleSoft scenario 3. Okay. Okay, and in this scenario is very important the callback URL. Okay, we select the certification as before. Okay, we select also the API and the refresh token. Okay, perfect. We manage consumer details. Perfect. The verification code 866663. Okay. This is the consumer URL, the consumer key. Okay. We can duplicate this and scenario 3. Okay. So this is not okay. This is no. The consumer key is okay. The password, everything it's okay. But we need to approve the user. Okay. Okay, user isn't approved. So we need to okay, so we need to pre-approve the connected app with the User-Agent OAuth Flow. So we need this URL where I have to put the client ID, that is my connected, that is my consumer key. Okay, copy. Client ID uguale my consumer key, and the redirect your URI, that is my callback, that is this one, and the instance, but I can also select login. I'm in my production, otherwise you have to select your test environment. I can also select this one, I think. Okay. So I simply put this in the browser. Okay. And they ask me if it's okay. Okay. They give me this error because the callback is not, there is anything in this URL, but I think it's okay. So if I go back to this MuleSoft connection and I test, the connection is successful. Perfect. That's all for now. Please, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel or leave a comment below, and see you in the next video. Bye.